What up, it's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413, back with another one. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know, me chilling like always. Back home again. Another day in Mark's Motorsports. You know what I'm saying? Mark's Mondays. So, first off, I want to give a shout out. Congratulations to the winner of the top-notch Ryker radiator protector. Shipping it right to you. I ain't gonna say your name because I'm actually recording this before the giveaway went on. But we already know you won. You're the lucky winner. Congratulations to you. If you don't know how to install that onto your bike, what you're gonna have to do is check out this card right here, my installation video, and you can put it on your bike. But today, what we bringing you is A-Arm Protectors, aluminum A-Arm Protectors. You know what I'm saying? Last week we brought you the splash guards, and we told you that the splash guards work with the A-Arm Protectors. So we had to bring you the A-Arm Protector. We ain't gonna just bring it up and start talking about the A-Arm Protectors and not show you. Like, that's like if I talked about the radiator protector and didn't show you. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't make no sense. But we're showing you the A-Arm Protectors today, and we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, take a look at them. We're gonna open them up. We're gonna take a look at them, see what they look like. If you guys are a subscriber and you was watching my live for the giveaway on Sunday, yesterday, you obviously know that we started a new giveaway. And this giveaway, you can win first, second, or third place. You know what I'm saying? You can win your helmet lights for first place. Second place, you win yourself some helmet lights, another helmet lights, and with those helmet lights, you win yourself a King Jaffe Joe banner. You know what I'm saying? So you win two things for second place. In third place, what you win? You win yourself a helmet and a King Jaffe Joe banner. What? Oh my goodness. Well, when you want a banner, forget all the other stuff, the banners. Put that on your wall every day. You can wake up and like, oh shoot, look at that. But, you know what I'm saying? Helmet. What kind of helmet is this? Cena? A Cena? What was it called? Cena Outrush. Outrush? The Cena. Cena Outrush, modular helmet, open up in the front with the communicator built in, you know what I'm saying? So, oh my goodness, I want this helmet so bad for myself. Like, you ever been riding and you just like at the light and you just sweating like, dang, I want to take my helmet off. It's a modular, pop it open, get some air, you know what I'm saying? Take a sip of your drink, you know what I'm saying? I know some of you got cup holders in your Ryker, you can take a sip of your soda. Me, I ride with the camel hump. Take a sip, you know what I'm saying? Pull it back down, you safe again. Oh, wait, hold up, got a call. Hit the button, you get to the phone. Oh my God, I love Bluetooth helmets. So make sure you guys, you already know how to enter. What you gotta do is go to the KingJaffeJoe413.com and purchase something. You spend $20, that gets you one entry. Spend $40, that gets you 10 entries. So every $20 you spend, you can get yourself an entry. And then after you buy that stuff, just post a picture on Instagram and tag me and tag DRolling3. And what you're gonna do is get yourself another entry. You know what I'm saying? So you buy two things, it's 2 entries. You post 2 separate pictures, it's 2 more entries. That's 4 entries you got to win yourself a helmet and a banner. You know what I'm saying? A modular helmet, yo. A modular helmet, brand new helmet, just released. They're actually kind of hard to find, so you might be one of the only ones you know that got one. But let's get back to today's Mark's Monday. What we got here, the A-Arm Protector. So let's bust these open. All right, so as soon as we get into the box, first thing we see is our screws. So we got 6 screws. 6 screws it comes with. Obviously it comes with your instructions. Let's bring out the shininess. Oh, hold on, yeah. We didn't get y'all the part number. Make sure y'all get that part number. There's your part number. Right out the bag. Nice aluminum. It's light, so I don't think it's gonna add too much weight to your bike, to your front end. Because me personally, I was worried about that. Like, this is gonna add a lot of weight to the front of my bike where it's gonna mess up like the ball joints and stuff. Because I put big rims on my car one time, messed up my ball joints. So I'm thinking more weight. Pretty good construction. 2-piece. Oh nope, it's a 1-piece. It's a 1-piece made. And then they cut it for the bin, so they riveted another piece on the bottom. Yeah, this is some stiff stuff. I can't bend it, that's for sure. It's aluminum. It's like, I say, maybe 2 pounds. I don't see no weight on the box, but comes with 2, obviously, 1 for each side. Yeah, I like those too. You know what I'm saying? I like those. Get those. So we take it over. Let's take it over to our friendly Ryker over here. So we got the one for the right side. Bring it down here, and that's gonna go on just like the splash guards. It's gonna go right there. It's gonna protect your whole thing here. So between the front of here and the A-arm, there's a little bit of space. So if you do hit something and bend it. Well, the splash guards, no, take a look at it. We actually have the splash guards here. The splash guards actually help too. You can use both of them. So let's take a look at the splash guards. So this is gonna protect your A-arm, but you still can get wet. So the splash guards then come down underneath here. So you see that? And that's gonna give you your protection for creating something, and your protection for getting wet. So it actually looks pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Clean look. You throw the radiator protector, if you got that, you throw that on the front, it'll be a nice silver. You got the accents you can put here like Smitty has, you know what I'm saying? I like it. I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna get them or not, or I'm not sure. I might. And then since they're aluminum, if you want to paint these, you actually can get them powder coated. So, you know what I'm saying? That's a little bit better than just painting them, because you know paint chips a lot easier. So you already got you already know what I'm gonna say. You got the part number. Call this number here, and you're gonna get yourself connected with Mark's Motorsports, and you give them the part number, and they're gonna send you something. They're gonna throw them on UPS, FedEx, whatever the fastest way to get it there, and send them to you. You know what I'm saying? You can have these on your bike in no time. You probably want to call today. Call Mark's today and order these, because season's almost here. You want to make sure you got these on your bike before your season start. You know what I'm saying? You're riding down the street and the dare jumps in front of you and you hit a dare, your A-arms will be protected. You know what I'm saying? The rest of your bike might be messed up, but your A-arms will be good. You know what I'm saying? And the A-arms are actually made to like take the impact, like crumble, so it doesn't bend the frame. So like something happened to your A-arm, they're not really strong as you would think, because they bend so your frame doesn't bend. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a give somewhere. But a little bit of protection, a little help. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to hit something that's not really damaging to your bike. And then there's always stuff on the road, especially this time of season. All the snow melting, there's ice everywhere. It's crazy. So guys, make sure you don't miss this next giveaway. I want three, you know what I'm saying? First, second, third place, get yourself 4 entries. You buy something. If you buy something and take 1 picture, that's 2 entries already. So you're close, you know what I'm saying? You can win some helmet lights to go on the side. Who don't want those? Who don't want those? All right, guys, so until the next one, peace.